excited to be here with you again. And if you're catching us maybe by accident, then welcome. Every Saturday, Whitney and I go live, and well, actually, we're not live. We are pre-recording this.
Yes.
But we come to you every Saturday morning with the earliest peek at what's coming next week at Tailored Expressions. So,
I love a sneak peek.
I know
we talk about this all the time. If you tantalize me with a sneak peek, I'm there.
Yes.
So that's why I love doing this, because I'm like, guess what? We're going to show you things.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
it's fun.
It's exciting. I love our release reveal videos. It's a fun time to get to show all the things.
Yep.
So that's why we're here this weekend, to share with you what's coming next week on Tuesday starting at 9 a.m. Central Time. We don't have a lot of new products.
Nope.
We have a few new products, but we are excited to be featuring a collection that has really been growing for us lately.
Yes.
If anybody remembers Happy Half Sheets
Yes.
and our recent edition of Happy Square Sheets earlier this year, what are those? Well, they are a really easy way to make multiple cards.
Yep.
So as I thought about my own card making, we're often stenciling a 6x6, or we're stamping and stenciling a really pretty piece of paper, and we want to use every little bit of it.
Yes.
And
I did the hard work. I want to use it all. Yes.
Yes. So that is how Happy Square Sheets were born, thinking about most of our stencils are 6x6. Once we're done with the artwork, making the pretty piece, how can we cut it up and make the most of all of those pieces? So we have given you templates and maps in order to do that, and some really fun imagery to do it with as well. Now that was born out of our collection of Happy Half Sheets, which if you've been around stamping for very long, then you might recognize the name One Sheet Wonder, which was basically the name for stamping your own pattern across a full sheet of paper. Well, I never did it very often because a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper is a lot. So as I was thinking about my own card making, I thought, how could we make this a little simpler? And we came out with Happy Half Sheets, which is a half sheet of paper that you stamp and create your pattern. And then we give you, again, the maps and the templates to cut them apart and create many cards from that one sheet.
You make it easy for me, and I love that.
Yes.
I need a good, the maps are what makes it so worth it for me. Once I create that, sometimes I get stuck on, what do I do with this?
Right.
Like you said. And then it kind of, stunts my creativity. But the maps in front of me let me piece it all together. I don't have to be a mathematician.
Yes.
You did it for me.
All the measurements are done, and even the layouts are there. We even gave you color inspiration on these templates. So we are excited to introduce a new set of Happy Square Sheet templates. And so we have that today, along with a couple other new products. So should we show them what's coming?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Well, we're going to start off with the Happy Square Sheets. Previously, this came out with our kit back in March, I think it was.
Yes.
So this was when we introduced this idea of Happy Square Sheets. And these are the laminated maps that Whitney and I were telling you about. So they are a nice, sturdy material. You can store them in our 6x6 binders and binder sleeves. And what they provide you is a template. After you finish doing all of your stamping and stenciling, you need your paper at 5 3/4 square, so not quite a full 6 inches. Most stencils don't go all the way out to the 6 inch. So you'll start with that 5 3/4, and then it gives you all the measurements to cut these pieces. Flip it over, and it tells you exactly color coordinated. Here's number 1 in pink. Flip it over, you have number 1, and you know exactly how to lay out those 4 pieces. Then you move down to number 2, and you've cut these pieces, and here's your layout for number 2. And there are, I think, 5 of these in each. Yep, 5 laminated maps for creating 4 or more. Sometimes I think we do 3, 4.
Yes.
Sometimes they're A2, sometimes they're mini slim cards. But you get at least 3 or 4 cards out of each piece. So this is now available. It was previously only available as part of the kit in March. So if you purchased that kit that was called Florals and Flutters, then you already have these. If you did not, you can now grab them. Speaking of florals and flutters, we wanted to bring out the star of the show in that kit, which is this beautiful rubber stamp and stencil combo. So as I was saying, if you take the time to create this beautiful 6x6 piece of artwork, you want to use all of it. And so you can stamp and stencil in a variety of color combinations and then use that whole piece, cut it apart with your paper trimmer, just like the map shows you, and have several beautiful cards. So this is now available for purchase if you did not get a chance to grab it in the kit. And we wanted to give you even more options for those happy square sheets. So this is brand new. Nobody has this one yet. This is the Happy Square Sheets Volume 2. So all new maps inside of here for using with your 5 3/4 square piece of cardstock. So
more ideas,
more options, more color combinations, all the things that are going to help you create multiple cards in one sitting. So let's take a look at the cards I'm going to be creating on the live on Tuesday. I hope you'll join me. I took a baby direction with this particular set. You know, I don't need a ton of baby cards these days, but I loved that this color combination was very gender neutral. So I'm excited to share it with you all. It came from one of our palette playbooks, so that's super fun. And we'll talk about stamping the whole background of your sheet and cutting it apart using one of those Happy Square Sheet Volume 2 maps. So come back on Tuesday for all the tips and tricks on how to use these. And then let's take a look at some inspiration using the Florals and Flutters. So as I mentioned, this was part of our kit, and you can see how a couple of our designers used that artwork to create several cards. Jill used the foilet here, which is available on our website. It has been since the kit was released, but not with the stamp and stencil. So you can still get that pretty foilet that Jill used on these cards. Love that. All of her white on white just adds so much fun and dimension. And then a toffee set from Heather using the new map. I think this is one of the new ones as well. So you can see how she cut apart those and created these really simple. I mean, that's the idea.
I love the colors too she chose.
I do too. That's the idea with these, is that they're simple. You can make them like, you know, you look at Heather's and she added sentiments and some flowers, and they're really sweet, clean and simple cards. Or you can go a little bit more, and I added letters and sentiments and images and little embellishments. So really, it's up to you. You're the creative one in your craft room that gets to decide how you want to lay it out, what embellishments you want to add, or how simple and clean you want to keep it.
I love that part.
So very fun.
Cute. I'm excited to have these out in the collection so we can use them. And there's going to be a category that has some other products in it.
Let's come back and we'll talk about our special promotion for this week. So as we feature our Happy Square Sheets and Happy Half Sheets, we have a special category of items, including all of our maps for the Happy Half Sheets and Happy Square Sheets, and many of the stamp sets that include solid imagery that allow you to pick different colors and make your own pattern. All of those are part of a special category that you will get double points on items in that category starting on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Time. So that is our release and our promo for this coming week. I hope you'll join me on the live on Tuesday, and Whitney will be there too.
Yes!
So have a great rest of your weekend, everyone.
Enjoy the day.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.